The program has a lot of convenience and value in the location. I love being able to attend the events that are outside of the normal class hours, meeting with EMBA students, MBA students. You really get to network with a broad range of industries and skill sets. You also get to make a lot of friends. I love that aspect of it. So it's really interesting. I work in marketing analytics, and a lot of the material that I'm learning in class directly applies to my job. And so when we started learning about cluster analysis, I brought it right into my job, and we're starting to build out cluster analysis for my clients. Same thing with learning about the conjoint analysis. A lot of my clients are interested in what is a conjoint analysis? How can it help us? And how can we build that out for our company? And of course, regression, always using regression. That is very common in this industry, and bringing it in, I can try and test a couple different things with clients. I feel more confident when I'm talking to data scientists at my company and how to build things out. I can also teach my analysts how to do more with the data that we have. I feel like the program has a lot of benefits short term, but long term, I really see the networking opportunities and the connections and the relationships that I've made in this program carry throughout the rest of my career. As I begin to look into different industries and I fill out different opportunities, I will want to leverage these resources and also these relationships that I've built.